Okay, so this app review is for the LRN coding app. The coding app is quite useful to learn coding, and so the code types that you can use or learn on here is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, and Ruby. The two that I've tried to learn, I've not tried them all yet. So I've tried JavaScript and Python, and this app is free up into a point for Python, because that's the one that I got through until I had to pay, because I just did not pay. There are 7 different sections, and then there are subsections. So you can do the first 3 sections free for Python, and then once you try to do the rest, it will tell you that for Python, the lessons cost $2.99 for the rest of just Python, and then $6.99 for all courses. So all HTML, CSS, all that LRN gives out. So with Python, I'm just gonna use one of the ones that I've already tried out. With Python, you go in, and there are many different subscriptions, as you can see here. There are 22 in this particular one. So it starts off very simple with their introduction here. Looks like this. Tells you, hello and welcome, my name is Jess, and I'm going to teach you to learn Python. Tap the input box below and tell the computer, my name is Jess. So sometimes it'll have pop-ups like this, where you can click on it, or sometimes it'll have you actually type it out to see if you're learning, or sometimes it'll tell you to just run a program with the little run down in the bottom right hand corner. And you just press run. It tells you congratulations that you did good, and then you can move on. This one is one where you just run it. And then congratulations, you got this. Good job. Winter is coming. Print. Then you move on. Golden. There are times here where, just kidding, bad example. So it wants you to say, your name is great. That's full of encouragement. That's great. That's going to encourage you to want to continue and feel amazing. So Alexis is great. Nice. I'm learning fast. Good job, me. So with this one, so it tells you that strings are what we're doing, and that strings need to have double or single quotient marks. So if I were to put like 14 cats without the double or the single quotient marks and to run it, it would tell me to try again and not move forward and tell you that you were golden even though you were wrong. And then you go back and you can try again. Click the right one this time, and then you run, and it's good. And you can go all the way through that. And then towards the very end of every subsection, they have review flashcards. With the flashcards, you can see, like, it says, what is code in the context of programming? Then you would try to figure that out. And to check your answer, or to see the actual answer, you just tap the card, tap your screen, and it'll tell you the answer. And then to move on to the rest of them, because you can see 1 out of 21, there are 21 flashcards in this section, you just swipe right to left, tap your screen to see the answer, and then you would move on. And you can do that all the way through, and yes. So this is LRN for coding, and I think it does a rather great job of teaching you basics, going way easy before it's gonna try to get too difficult on you. And I love this app. This is really good app. So yeah, so this is the end of my video. Hope you enjoyed it.